Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to do some maintenance on our refinery. You can see some of the plastic has come off. All these little parts have fallen off. Ladder, one of the platforms, which I don't even know where it goes at this point, but we got some work to do to get it back into decent shape. But I also want to add some lights, which I have these little guys right here. These are a warm light, so they're kind of yellowish, which is perfect for a refinery. I don't really have like a schematic on where the lights should go, but I'm thinking somewhere along this, stack right here. And look at that. Another thing to fix. Dang it. Anyways, to do this, I need to, of course, get a hole from the bottom of the base into this cylinder right here. And so I'm going to drill a hole. At least that's the first step I'm going to do. And if that works out, then we're going to work at placing some lights along wherever I need it to go. One-eighth. Well, that sucks. Not surprising, to be honest with you, but it still sucks. So, whatever. Now that it's happened, we're gonna work around it. There goes that one too. Holy cow. That was a little disastrous, to say the least. A little bit disastrous. The good news to this whole thing falling apart is I now get to drill holes into here a little bit easier. So, we'll think positive. I am 100% guessing on this. If I get it wrong, then we're gonna have just a little hole. I guess maybe we can patch it, but I'm not terribly worried about it either. I feel I can get away with that. I wish I could put one in here, but there's no way of getting it down. So I have all the lights put in. I have one up here, one somewhere down here. I have one in each corner, one here, to bring a little light in there. And then I have a set of lights in each of the other three stacks. So now it's a matter of putting it all back together, which might be easier said than done, because I don't really know how all of this went together. It just kind of all fell apart on me, so I'm probably gonna have to rely to the instructions. I hope I still have them somewhere. And so whatever. I guess we'll just start putting it together and see what it looks like. Try to do it like this. here. Good. Now, this whole thing is completely fallen off. So, we're going to put it back together. So there it is, all put back together and illuminated. I really like the lights. I'm glad I put those in. I added this light right here just to fill up some of that light in the middle. I'm really glad that I did. Yeah, it looks really good. I think this is going to be a lot of fun once it's on the layout and I have the whole refinery kind of lit up with a bunch of lights around it. I think it'll look pretty cool. And of course, because I have it connected to one of these Woodland Scenics hubs, I can control how bright it is, right? So, super easy, super convenient. I like the lights that I have on either end as well, because it kind of puts a little bit of light inside the tubes and the piping, and it just makes it look that much better. So, that's it for this video. If you guys liked it, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.